In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an element transparent here in Canva. So this is actually really easy to do, and first off, we're going to need an element. So we're going to come over to graphics, and let's just choose one of these. Let's go with this one just here. Now, what I'm about to share with you actually works with most things. It will work with Canva shapes, it will work with images, it will work with elements and anything that you upload as well. Now, to make this transparent is actually really easy. All we have to do is click onto the element or the image or the graphic or whatever it is that you want to make transparent. Then once we've clicked on that, if we come up to the toolbar just here, we want to click on here where it says transparency. Now we're going to get this bar and it says 100. We can play around by putting numbers in the box as well. So let's do half of 100 and let's do 50. Now if we click enter, this is 50% transparent. But we can also play around, which is the easiest way, with this bar as well. The more we increase the bar, the less it becomes transparent, and the more we decrease the bar, the more transparent it comes, just like that. But as you can see, it's actually pretty simple to make an element transparent here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.